I shoot my content. You know what they say, you gotta take a million pictures to get the right one. Set boundaries within your business.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby, girl, don't trip.
Hey queens, it's your girl Tayani Elise, and if you don't like it, peace. And we are back with another video. For those that don't know, I am a freelance social media manager and content creator full-time. So I thought today would be cool to kind of show y'all a day in my life. If you want to be a social media manager, this is the vlog for you. Or if you're just interested in what's going on in my life, this is the vlog for you too. There's a lot that goes into me being a social media manager, but today is kind of more of a chill day, and it's more of a typical day. But I do have days where I actually go out with my clients and shoot content with them. You have the editing, you have the events. But today's not gonna be all that. So the night before I start my day, I always make sure to make a to-do list of things that I need to get done the next day so I can just, you know, be productive and stay on track. I use Google Tasks. Let me tell you, lifesaver. Today, I need to send some emails out to different brands. I need to make content for myself, edit my own video so I can post on my Instagram, then edit a video for my clients so I can post on their Instagram. And then I have a call for a consultation one of my clients paid for tomorrow, so I need to work on their content calendar so I can give that to them tomorrow. So yeah, chill day, nothing too crazy. And with that being said, if you need a content strategy session or for me to help you brainstorm content ideas or help you with your marketing strategy and help you actually create a plan so you can execute it, book a strategy call with your girl. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Right now, it is 12:30 and I'm honestly getting a late start to my day. That's one of the beauties of what I do. I really pick and choose when I want to wake up, but I really try to wake up around like 7:30 to get my day started. And a lot of times I do, but some days it's just one of them days. Even today, I woke up at like 8:30, but I didn't even really get out of bed until like a couple hours later. I've been working on getting up earlier. But right now, we're about to answer some emails, and I guess I can talk to you all about like how I kind of got started as a social media manager. I got started in social media management because I went to college for marketing, and when I graduated, I became a virtual assistant for a tax firm. And I was kind of doing social media management for her while I was her virtual assistant. And then when she became the chairwoman of the Chamber of Commerce, she actually allowed me to be the head of marketing, which I learned a lot from there. And that all was freelance. Like, it wasn't a 9-to-5 job. It was us just having an agreement and me doing social media work for them, which I love because I kind of do things on my own time. It can be hard being a social media manager though, because you'll have to constantly acquire clients, and you know, I had to go to a lot of networking events, so it can be tiring. Especially, I know it seems like, oh, you're just doing a push of a button, but I actually go out and shoot content with a lot of my clients. I have to edit their videos. Another thing, when it comes to you being a social media manager, I feel like a lot of people expect you to kind of be their entire marketing team. And that, especially when you're working with smaller businesses, which I do, they expect you to kind of wear multiple hats in their marketing department. So I think it's so important to like set boundaries within your business, especially when it comes to hours, having hours of operation, making it clear within your contracts the deliverables and tasks that you're going to do for them, just so you don't end up spreading yourself thin. It's okay to say no, you don't do that, or yes, I do this. Just get clear on what you offer your clients, because I'm telling you, the lines can get blurred. And if you're not a social media manager yet, you will understand this once you become a social media manager. So when I'm washing clothes, I actually like to separate the colors, and I wash my comforter by itself, but I do lights, darks, and whites. I think I'm gonna wash darks first. I don't know about y'all, but when it comes to washing clothes, I wait till the last minute every time. But I have a lot more clothes now, so it's like I can do that, but I think I'm gonna start trying to make it a routine where every Sunday, I just make sure I wash clothes. I left some dishes in the sink last night after I ate, so we're about to clean these too. Okay, so now it's time for me to make content, and I think I'm going to make a fashion video because I need a fashion video on my page. I'm going to post an inspirational video because I still have to post today. Or if I get the fashion video edited in enough time, I can post that today. I have this outfit that I wore to church yesterday and I didn't make any content in it, so I think I'm going to make an Instagram video using that outfit, just using it and recycling it again. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. This is where I shoot my content. So I use the natural lighting because let me tell you, the ring light can sometimes be a little harsh when you're creating content. So I found that the natural light kind of gives me the aesthetic that I want. I also use a natural background wall. It's a dark gray because I feel like with the natural lighting and this background, it just gives a luxurious, upscale type of look. I will insert a video here so you all can kind of see what I'm talking about and like the look that it kind of gives. I put the red lips on because I just feel like it always makes it look better, and I really did wear red lips yesterday, so. And now I think a nice touch at the end will be if I grab my Bible because I'm going to church. I always have to replay it back while it's on the tripod so I can make sure I like the content. If I'm clear to go, I'll start editing and try to get this posted by the time I want it. Okay, I think I want to shoot the one with the Bible again because I didn't like how it looked. Hopefully I can get a good shot. You know what they say, you gotta take a million pictures to get the right one. Well, videos. Okay, so now I need to quickly edit this video so I can post it. What time is it? It is 1:48 and I need to post by about 2:30, 3 o'clock. So I have enough time. So I'm happy about that. But now I need to get to editing. So I will be back. Okay, your girl was done editing. It is 2:28. And now at the end of the video I put, well, I'm gonna actually insert the video here because I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna show y'all it here. I can't add the music, but you'll still get the gist. But at the end of the video, I put Shop My Life Study Bible on Amazon. So now I need to add that into my Amazon storefront. So I'm taking a picture I had with the Bible and just writing a mini description on there. And yeah, I might take a different picture because I kind of don't like this as my picture, but it's cool. And then we can post. I do need to interact on social media a little bit before I post. So I'm going to do that as well. So I'm probably going to be posting exactly at 3 o'clock by the time all of this is finished. That Bible, I really recommend people to get it because it really changed my life in understanding the Bible, because if it wasn't for that book, when I started my walk with Christ, I probably would have never understood the Bible. And so it's not just me doing it, oh, because I want you to shop my Amazon storefront. No, get that Bible. I'm telling you, it changed my life. It was the company is one of my first type of Bibles, and I'll link it below as well. So the video is doing pretty well, but I need to edit for my client now because it's her turn. Her good posting time is around 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock-ish, which makes sense because her audience is a little bit more mature. They're like in their 30s and up. So many of them are just getting off of work around 4 o'clock. And when they get off of work, they're not on social media as much. They're home, they're getting something to eat, they're chilling. So around 5:30, 6 o'clock-ish is a better posting time for her. And it is 3:33. I have about 2 hours until I need to post for her. So we're going to edit her video. And I'm going to ask my boyfriend, can he get it from me on his way home from work? Because he's at work right now. And I feel like he's going to tell me no and be annoyed. But like, you know, you miss 100 of the shots you don't take. So it's okay to annoy him for a little bit for some chicken, okay? He might tell me later or another time. I hope he tells me yes. I really hate when he tells me no. He don't tell me no often, y'all. Like when he does, it like is a punch to the gut. Let's see. I'm calling him now. Let's see what he say. Babe, how much do you love me? Can you give me canes today?
Yo, hell, I'm not driving that direction.
Please, maybe later, babe.
What just made you think about canes?
Cause I'm hungry and I just really want some canes. Babe, we can go. Why are you telling me no?
I'll think about someday this week.
Okay. Okay. I'll let you. He told me no, but sometime this week. So a win is a win. It might not be today. I'm a little patient, so that's fine. I'll just get something else. I can just get something else. I am making peppered steak. I decided to eat in because I forgot I took these out yesterday. So I am hungry, so I'm having a little break. I got one more thing on my to-do list to do. Right now, I'm watching Selling Sunset. Yeah, it's about 5 o'clock, and I guess when I'm done taking my little break, I will do the last thing on my list, and then I will be done for today. And voila! And it's so tender, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm actually really happy that I did not get Cane's because this steak is about to be bomb with my orange juice, okay? Y'all, it's crazy because I didn't even used to like orange juice, but as I got older, I like orange juice. But yeah, I'm about to finish watching my show, and then maybe in an hour or two, I'll work on her content calendar. It should only take me about like 45 minutes at the most. So I'll usually create the calendar and then leave notes here telling them what I want them to say, the songs I want them to use, etc. So yeah, then I add my client to the calendar and they can look at it, review it as much as they want, refer back to it when it's time for them to make content. But that really wraps up a day in my life. So let me know if you have any questions, comment them below. If there's more things that you want to see, comment them below. If there's things you want me to make videos on them, comment them below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. And like I always say, girls, don't forget to keep it cute, and guys, don't forget to keep it handsome. Bye.
Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn.